Hey Fit and Fab fam! Welcome back to another exciting video on our journey to a healthier, happier you. I've been reading your comments and I hear you loud and clear. Many of you are dealing with IBS, IBO underweight concerns and liver health issues. Trust me, you don't want to miss any of this juicy info. So grab a snack, settle in, and let's make this health journey together. Stick around till the end for some fantastic tips, and let's get started. Understanding the gut. First things first, let's talk about our gut. It's like the command center for our overall health, influencing everything from digestion to immune function. When the gut is out of balance, it can lead to issues like IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, and SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. But fear not, because nature has provided us with some amazing tools to help rebalance our gut. The magic of raw fruits. Now, let's get to the good stuff, raw fruits. These colorful gems are packed with essential nutrients, fiber, and enzymes that can work wonders for your digestive system. The fiber in fruits helps regulate bowel movements, preventing constipation or diarrhea often associated with IBS. Plus, the natural sugars in fruits provide a gentle energy boost, perfect for those struggling with being underweight. Fruits for IBS and SIBO. If you're dealing with IBS or SIBO, certain fruits can be particularly beneficial. Opt for low FODMAP fruits to minimize digestive distress and are less likely to ferment in the gut, reducing the risk of triggering symptoms. Alright, Fit and Fab fam, let's take a closer look at the fruits that can be absolute game changers if you're dealing with IBS or SIBO. We're not just talking about their general benefits, we're diving into the nitty-gritty details. 1. Blueberries. Benefits: rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. Blueberries have anti-inflammatory properties. Ideal for reducing gut inflammation, they're a fantastic choice for those with IBS or SIBO. How to use: add fresh blueberries to yogurt, oatmeal, or blend them into a refreshing smoothie. 2. Strawberries. Benefits: packed with vitamin C and fiber, strawberries aid digestion and regulate bowel movements. A great option for individuals with IBS. How to use: enjoy strawberries as a snack, add them to salads, or toss them into a fruit salad. 3. Oranges. Benefits: delicious and high in vitamin C and soluble fiber. Oranges help regulate bowel movements and are gentle on the digestive system. How to use: peel and enjoy oranges as a snack, or squeeze fresh orange juice for a morning boost. 4. Kiwi. Benefits: kiwi contains actinitin, an enzyme aiding in protein digestion. Ideal for alleviating discomfort associated with IBS or SIBO. How to use: slice and eat kiwi on its own, or add it to fruit salads. 5. Raspberries. Benefits: raspberries are loaded with fiber and antioxidants. The high fiber content supports digestive health, making them a valuable addition for those with IBS. How to use: incorporate raspberries into your morning cereal, yogurt, or blend them into smoothies. 6. Bananas. Benefits: bananas are easily digestible and rich in potassium, providing a gentle energy boost. They are perfect for those looking to soothe their digestive system. How to use: enjoy bananas as a standalone snack, slice them into your morning cereal, or blend them into a creamy banana smoothie. 7. Lemon. Benefits: high in vitamin C, lemon supports the production of liver detoxifying enzymes. Its natural acidity can stimulate digestion and promote a healthy gut. How to use: squeeze fresh lemon juice into your water, use it as a dressing on salads, or add a splash to your morning tea for a zesty kick. Remember, the key is to incorporate these fruits gradually into your diet and observe how your body responds. Everyone is unique, so it's essential to pay attention to how specific fruits impact your digestive health. Benefits of incorporating fruits in a SIBO diet. Adding fruits to your SIBO diet? Totally a good move. Despite some guidelines, fruits are not only tasty, but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants for overall health. Why? Well, their fiber content is a big win for keeping your digestion happy and promoting good gut bacteria. Berries bring antioxidants for stress and inflammation defense, while citrus fruits are vitamin C champs, boosting your immunity and giving you that glow. Quick tip: be a bit of a detective with portions and see which fruits your body loves. While low FODMAP fruits are usually SIBO friendly, we're all unique, so team up with a healthcare pro or dietitian to navigate your fruity journey. Your health is your superhero story. Enjoy those fruits and stay awesome. Healthy fruit recipes for SIBO. Here are a few healthy fruit-based recipes that are suitable for individuals with SIBO. 1. Low FODMAP berry smoothie. Blend a mix of low FODMAP berries, such as strawberries and blueberries, with lactose-free yogurt and a splash of almond milk for a refreshing and gut-friendly smoothie. 2. Grilled citrus salad. Slice oranges and grapefruits and grill them lightly for a warm and tangy salad. Serve with a sprinkle of fresh herbs and a drizzle of olive oil for a burst of flavor. 3. Banana oat pancakes. Mash ripe bananas and mix them with gluten-free oats, cinnamon, and almond milk to create a batter for delicious and filling pancakes. Serve with a dollop of lactose-free yogurt and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Tips for eating fruits with SIBO. Here are some helpful tips to keep in mind when incorporating fruits into your SIBO diet. Choose low FODMAP fruits to minimize potential digestive discomfort. Stick to small portions of fruits to avoid overwhelming the digestive system. Avoid combining high FODMAP fruits together in the same meal. Experiment with different cooking methods, such as grilling or baking, to enhance the flavors of fruits. Listen to your body and note any individual sensitivities or reactions to specific fruits. Weight management. For those working on gaining weight, calorie-dense fruits like avocados, bananas, and mangoes can be your best friends. Incorporating them into your diet can provide a healthy source of energy and essential nutrients to help you achieve your weight goals. Liver love. Let's not forget about our liver. A healthy liver is crucial for overall well-being. Fruits like grapefruit, lemon, and berries are rich in antioxidants that support liver function and aid in detoxification. Practical tips. Now, let's talk about practical tips to incorporate more raw fruits into your daily routine. Start your day with a refreshing fruit smoothie. Snack on fresh fruit throughout the day. Experiment with fruit salads, combining different textures and flavors. Replace sugary snacks with a piece of your favorite fruit. There you have it. Fit&Fab fam, the key to better gut health, weight management, and liver love lies in the goodness of raw fruits. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes to see long-term benefits. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of fruits. If you have any specific questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay fit and fabulous.